Hi, first graders. Today we're doing lesson 8.3, addition of tens and ones. So we're going to be working on the show all totals method. And we're going to start off by working with the secret code cards. So if you have those little blue cards at home, you can pull those out. So first what it's going to look like is creating the number 45, which we would do with the 40 and the 5. It's 4 tens and 5 ones. Okay, remember, even though you can't see the 0, the 10 is still there. We're making it 45. And we also want to get 28. Oops, that's not going to be right. 20. Eight. Okay, 28. So 45 and 28. And when we write it in vertical form, it would look like this: 45 plus 28. And just like we saw in the secret code cards, we have 40 plus 5 and 20 plus 8. So when we have these lined up like this, it helps us to add straight down. Remember, this line underneath means equals, so 45 plus 28 equals. So we'll do 5 plus 8 equals 13. 0 plus 0 is 0. Bring my plus sign down as well. And 4 plus 2 is 6. So we end up with 60 plus 13. Okay, I'm going to stack those on top of each other in vertical form. 0 and 3, and 6 and 1. 73. Okay, now we're going to take it to the next step and prove that with a proof drawing. So we have to use the 10 sticks and the circles to create 45 plus 28. This is kind of like the method that we've been working on in the past. So we need 4 tens, and 5 ones, plus 28. So that's 2 tens and 8 ones. All right, oops, almost. I'll rearrange these really quick. Never enough room. Okay, here you can see 45 and 28. All right, we're going to see if there is enough to make us a new 10. Yep, I can see our 2 5 groups right here. That'll be enough to make us a 10. I'm going to circle that up with a different color so you can see this right here. We're creating a new 10 out of our 2 5 groups. Okay, and we can count it out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. And we want to ask ourselves, as we look at our proof drawing, where do you see the 60 and where do you see the 13? Okay, so here we have our 60. And then here you can see your 13. So 60 in the 10 sticks and 13 in the ones. But we created that extra 10 to help us count more easily to our answer. All right, here's another example problem. I want you to try this on a separate sheet of paper. So think about your 10 sticks and your ones. I want you to draw out 38 plus 57, so 3 10s and 8 ones, 5 10s and 7 ones, and create that proof drawing. And then I want you to also try the show all totals method and then play the video. All right, so here you can see represented 38 and 57. I also put 30 plus 8 and 50 plus 7 over here for show all totals. We're going to see if we can make a 10 out of this. We have 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, make that into a 10. We had 8, 9, 10. And over here we have 8 plus 7. That gives us 15. Bring down your plus. 0 and 0 is 0. 3 and 5 is 8. Okay, so then we can do 80 plus 15 equals, so 0 and 5 is 5, and 8 and 1 is 9. Whoa, hello. 9. There we go. Okay, let's double check our proof drawing over here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Okay, I can see the 80 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 10s and 15 ones over here. All right, now we need to move to our workbook, so please grab your workbook and find page 339. All right, first thing on your paper is your name. So we're going to write the numbers to show addition. Here we can see our secret code cards. 36 breaks down into 3 10s and 6 ones. We're also adding 55, which is 5 10s and 5 ones. Okay, we're going to try and line these up the best we can. This belongs here, and here's our answer. So first let's do 6 plus 5. You would grab 6 in your hand and go up 5 more, which would give you 11. Okay, and 3 10s plus 5 10s equals 8 10s, and the number for 8 10s is 80. Okay, and over here to the side we have to set up final step. Equals, okay, 0 and 1, 1, 8 and 1 more, 9. There we go, we come up with 91. Okay, if you could please try this one on your own. Okay, 4 and 8, that goes here. 50 and 30, or 5 10s and 3 10s, it gives you how many 10s, that goes here. Okay, set up over to the side, vertical form, and add straight down, your answer goes here. Okay, so we're going to write the numbers to show addition, and it takes us kind of step by step. Okay, first thing we're going to do is read the problem. Mark built a tower using 67 blocks. Elizabeth built a tower using 18 blocks. How many blocks did they use together? So I can see here they set it up in vertical form. Step number 1 says add the 10s. So they made the sticks and circles drawing, and they added up their 10s. How many 10s do you see there? Yep, 7 10s. And the number 7 10s, so right now we're just talking about 10s. We're not even going to worry about the ones. Right there we see 7 10s, which is 70. Now we're going to look at the ones. Okay, as you can see, we put this box here, and then we added another step underneath. So this is like another way you can do it. How many ones do we have? You can count those up. Or think about 7 plus 8. Grab 8 in your hand, go up 7 more. You end up with 15. Okay, now you can see this here, step 1, step 2. You're going to add those two totals together, because remember this method is called show all totals, so the totals of the tens, the totals of the ones, and put those together. So now you have 0 plus 5 is 5, and 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, very good. So those are the 3 steps for showing all totals. Okay, let's do one more together. So let's do 63. Oops, that's not what I want. Let's do 63 plus 28, and that's, this is the problem for check for understanding. Okay, so first we're going to add the tens. 6 tens plus 2 tens is how many tens? 8 tens, and the number for 8 tens is 80. Okay, now let's add up the ones. 8 plus 3, that's 11. Okay, now we have our new equation right here. 80 plus 11. Total of the tens, total of the ones. Put those together. 0 and 1, 8 and 1. Excellent. All right. Thank you for your hard work today, friends. See you back here tomorrow.